Crushing and screening plants are, of course, dangerous machines by nature. Safety and ergonomics play an important role for us. They should never cancel each other out. In fact, we want to prevent staff from bypassing or skipping safety procedures because of the handling. Safety can be annoying when it hinders me at work. When I have to do multiple procedures before I actually get to the stage where I want to get. And when employees are annoyed, they look for shortcuts, easy solutions to regain their comfort. Whilst in operation, the machines are relatively safe because you don't have to actually be in physical contact with them. They are at their most dangerous when the machines are at a standstill. When the system stands still as scheduled for servicing or maintenance, all folding and swiveling functions that are safety relevant are secured by counterbalance valves, so that accidental closing or shutting of the chassis or doors is avoided. A good example of such an immediate safety feature is our lock and turn system. It is a rotor turning and locking device which serves to fixate the 5-ton heavy rotor, the heart of the machine, but to also be able to move it with precision. Especially during cleaning and maintenance work, this way we make sure nothing happens to the machinist. For example, our hopper walls can be folded out hydraulically from the ground, and they can also be locked. This interlocking particularly used to be a tightrope act which involved ladders or some daring climbing in order to beat the locking elements into the hopper. Now it's relatively simple. You stand under the hopper where you have 4 hydraulic levers, you fold up the 3 individual hopper walls and lock the hopper walls hydraulically with a 4th lever, and you're done. Should it still come to an unwanted standstill and the crusher comes to a halt with a full crushing chamber, we have in the MC Evo series the reversible crusher unblocking system in use. This allows the crusher to start up with the full crusher jaw automatically, so you no longer have to expose yourself to danger. KLEEMANN is a pioneer in the field of safety technology. In general, machinery, including crushing and screening equipment, is not required to undergo an independent safety test. This is done only by self-declaration. Ultimately, all machine manufacturers take responsibility for how seriously they treat the subject. That means delivering on the promises, so that where it says there's a CE on it, there actually is CE in it. The hard part is, how do I implement this? How do I implement this so that the customer pays me for it? His take is just put a CE sticker on it, that's enough. But actually, we want to offer more, also out of a commitment to engineering, and because we see what kind of accidents happen around the world, and the accidents that happen usually end badly. And something can be done to counter this, and that's why we want to do it.